looking for commercial property along Coastal Road, then downtown, phase 2 is for you. Along Coastal Road now, and we're observing the 150 meters that federal government is asking us to leave. This has a title Government Allocation C of O. This is our phase 2, and looking for commercial plot of land is here in downtown Lagos. We are on the site, we are working, and we just want to show you what we have done and to key into the pre-launch price of downtown Lagos. This is purely commercial, and what we are looking for in downtown Lagos is sophisticated, a good architectural commercial design here in downtown Lagos. And the location is one of the key things when you are looking for commercial property. This location, you know, this is a beautiful one. It's fantastic. Like I usually say, this location is prime, because when you want to buy real estate, location is the key. It's the location that you will look at that will tell me this land is juicy. So this location is superb. Call it anything. This is facing Coastal Road. Yeah, the road that is going to Calabar from Lagos State. Lagos Calabar Coastal Road. And this falls under Labour City Ibeju Lekki. This is free from government allocation. It's free from government encumbrance. In fact, the allocation is purely from Lagos State government. I can share the allocation with you so that you can go and do your due diligence. We are selling pre-launch price, and we have 500 square meter and 1,000 square meter. 500 square meter is going for 30 million naira, and the 1,000 square meter is going for 55 million naira. Initial deposit for 500 square meter is 3 million naira, and initial deposit for 1,000 square meter is 5 million naira. It's all inclusive of your survey and your documentation. Is 0 to 6 months, is interest free here, and when you are spreading up to 12 months is 10% interest of any plot you are buying in downtown Lagos. So let's break it down. We're talking about commercial property. I know when you want to buy something around where you live now, something will struck to you. Where should you go? Where are they selling this thing? And mainly you think of mall. You know, in downtown Lagos, you can buy 1,000 square meter, you can buy 2,000 square meter, and you build a shopping mall here, and you will start to rent it out. So don't look at what you're seeing now, look at what future we hold. You know, when you are buying land in this place, it doesn't just come like this. Look at it, this land we appreciate. And I know you want land that is secure and that is very safe for investment, and that is why where this downtown Lagos, that is this one for you, because this place, like I made mention, it has the title government allocation, and when you see the date on that government allocation, you will know that this is just issued to us. So it makes this land very free to buy and even safe to buy. So you can take it to whosoever you want to take it to, and you can do your due diligence. We are not fearful of that, and because this is prime one, and this share a close proximity to the Dangote Refinery. Dangote Refinery is on the other side. This is the Coastal Road. I'm actually on the Coastal Road because some of our clients, they can't even differentiate where is the road to Dangote the Refinery and where is the road to Coastal. So on this aspect, this is on Coastal Road. You see the other side, that is Dangote Refinery. And when we mention all these landmarks, we mention Dangote Refinery, we mention Free Trade Zone, we mention Deep Sea Port, all those things, all those landmarks rather, we are not just mentioning it for mentioning its sake, because when we mention all these things, you see how expensive your land will be in the nearest future. And also this is backing the Lekki International Airport. You know, being on this Coastal Road, you've already strategically positioned your investment. I don't want you to snooze on this offer, because this offer is juicy, because when you are buying 500 square meter here for 30 million naira, and we are saying 1,000 square meter here for 55 million naira. For our 500 square meter, initial deposit is 3 million naira, and for our 1000 square meter, initial deposit is 5 million naira. So I made mention of shopping mall, that you can erect one shopping mall here. What about eateries? What about people into financial institution, the tech? Yes, think of any commercial, hospitals, any commercial investments you can put it. And here is 10 hectares of land. That is 150 plots of land. So we've done the layout, and if you see our 3D drawing, you know that this is a good one. So, and if you want to use it for investment, whether you want to purchase now, you want to keep it for some period of years and sell it. Yes, we are selling now, and we got this allocation from Lagos State. This is 150 plots of land. So we've done the road, we've sectioned it, so the layout is there. We've done all these things to make all the plot accessible. And you can see this is the major road for us. So we are going into the streets now, because when we are doing allocation, we want you to drive to your land. And this makes it 6 days on the site. We've done more than 100 trips of sand here. You can see the way I am just walking majestically today. So we mean business. And when you ask me who are the developer is Ace Royal Homes. Yeah, that is developer for Eco Paragon. If you know us, you know that we don't delay things. And when we started Eco Paragon, you know how fast we are, and we are still doing, how fast we were and how fast we are putting this Eco Paragon to the final stage of it. So if you are looking for a reputable organization, then you know you can actually bank on us. So this is another investment opportunity. This is pure commercial. We are not selling residential plots here. This is facing Lagos Calabar Coastal Road, and this is the high time to actually invest in downtown Lagos. This is our phase 2, and I know this investment that you are doing here, you will not regret it. For our 500 square meter, initial deposit is 3 million naira, because our 500 square meter is selling for 30 million naira. It's a pre-launch price, because you can see we just moved to the site. This is the 6th day, and we are working very, very fast. And for our 1000 square meter, it's going for 55 million naira, and it's all inclusive of your survey and your documentation. Yes, 5 million naira initial deposit, and you can spread your payment up to 12 months. 0 to 6 months is interest free. If you are spreading for 12 months, is 10% interest. And upon you finish payments, you make all your payments, yes, we are going to plot your land, we give you your survey, and we do allocation. And also you can actually pick from the layout that we have now. You can pick as you make initial deposit, but when you finish your payments, we'll come back here to allocate your land physically for you. This is not the land that we can leave. You can see how strategic this estate is. So this is not the land that we can leave, that nothing. Before you know it now, our perimeter fencing will be ongoing, our gatehouse too will start it. So, but it's a pre-launch price. This is the 6th day, and I don't want you to miss out of this offer. You know, when you see me, you see real estate. I'm Olashile Davis. Everything that is written on my face is real estate, and we are here to bring that good deal to you. This is commercial property. This is purely commercial. I am not selling residential here, and this is the high time to take advantage of downtown Lagos, facing Lekki Calabar Coastal Road. And I know the number is there. Call us right away. I will be expecting your call. I remain Olashile Davis, and I'm the lead consultant of Salesville Property. If you are looking for genuine investment in Nigeria, you can call our number. This is another one. Yes, call the number showing on your screen right now, because this is exactly what I like when I'm bringing offer to you. Pre-launch price. That is it. Pre-launch price, because that is exactly what you are looking for. Not the time that we are selling this one for 100 million, 120 million. You want to buy. I still know you want to see what we are going to do here. I'm not saying you should not wait, because by the time that this is going to 6 months, the price will change. Maybe the 300 square meter then will be selling as high as 80 million naira. The 1000 square meter will be selling as high as going to 200 million naira. But I don't want you to buy that price, and that is why this is a juicy offer for you. Yes, 30 million naira, 500 square meter. and for 1,000 square meter is 55 million naira, and you can spread your payment up to 12 months. So call the number showing on your screen right now. Let's take you for an inspection, either physically or virtually, anyone you want. But you can see, you see this road, it is this estate, downtown Lagos, is actually strategically positioned on this road, and this land is free. You can do your due diligence, because due diligence is the key, and we encourage that for you to do your due diligence. We'll be expecting your call. We'll be so happy to take you for an inspection. If you are seeing this channel for the very first time, subscribe. You don't need money to subscribe. The button is there. Subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Property. Yes, thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait for you to watch the next video that is going to play now. Bye.